Good afternoon, sir. I am Mark Francois Diesel Escanio, fourth year BSIT. Represent po ng final examination. Tapos yung program flow, login first. Ito po. Tapos, yung sa user and password. Scan. Pag nilogin po, pupunta sa menu. Tapos, sorting grade average and about. Under sorting, input for members, i-input for numbers and sort them. Send. 26, 27. Sorted number 24, 36, 43, 57. Under grade averaging, input grades in math, science, English, then display the average of the three subjects. Average grade 92.2. Under about display your full name, subject, and schedule. Full name is Kanya Mark Transportation. Subject IT PRC 12, schedule Thursday.